In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, shareable booking link and where to manage everything afterwards so people can grab time with you without all the back and forth. Start by heading to Calendly. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the Create button. This is where you spin up a new event that others can book. Choose event types to decide the kind of meeting you want to offer. Pick the option that best fits your use case, something like a one-on-one or any other format that matches how you meet. Keeping this decision simple at first will make the rest of the setup easier. Next, give your meeting a clear, friendly name. The name appears on your booking page and in confirmations, so make it obvious what the meeting is for, like intro call or project check-in. Then choose your duration. Common choices are 15, 30, or 60 minutes, but go with what genuinely fits your agenda. Shorter meetings encourage quick decisions, longer slots can reduce context switching. Pick what supports your workflow. Choose your location so attendees know how you'll meet. You can specify a video platform, an in-person spot, or a phone call. If it's virtual, add the detail that will appear on the calendar invite automatically, so no one hunts for a link at the last minute. Set your availability for this event. Define the days and time windows you want to offer, and consider adding buffers so meetings don't stack back to back. Minimum notice helps prevent last-minute surprises, and limiting the number of daily bookings keeps your schedule sustainable. A little structure here goes a long way toward avoiding burnout. If you plan to charge for this meeting, choose payment and enable it for the event. Add the amount in currency so attendees see the price up front during booking. If you don't charge for this type of meeting, you can skip it. Under host, confirm who will take the meeting. If it's just you, keep it simple. If it's a team scenario, make sure the right person or setup is assigned so availability reflects the correct calendar. When everything looks good, click Create. Calendly will generate a booking page you can share anywhere. To manage it later, go back and click Scheduling, then open Meetings to review your scheduled and past events, plus any details you might need to follow up. Head to Availability to adjust your broader hours and scheduling rules. Finally, open Contacts to see people who've booked with you and keep your relationships organized. That's it, your scheduling system is live.